Christ, that thing was just in my shoe. There's my keys next to it. Look at the fucking size of it. I was literally halfway to work and I'm feeling something scratching in my shoe, and that freaking thing, I had to pull over the side of the road and that was in my bloody shoe. Oh my God. Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. We are officially kind of at the halfway mark, which is exciting. I honestly didn't think I'd last this long, and I honestly don't. Every single day I wake up not thinking I'll last another day, but I don't know, somehow I managed to do it. I haven't been going to bed before midnight, between midnight and 1 o'clock every day, and then getting up at 6, so I apologise if I do look a bit worse for wear towards the end of the vlogs. A couple of you have mentioned I look quite tired, and yeah, I am quite tired, but I have been enjoying it. It's just having a full-time job definitely gets in the way. But yeah, so I'm just on my way to my optometrist appointment. I just got to get a new prescription and some new glasses because my eyes have actually changed. I think I mentioned it in another vlog before, but the eye that I've been having all the problems with has actually improved in vision, and the other eye has actually gotten worse. And these glasses are actually prescribed for both eyes being the same. So you can imagine how crazy it is trying to look through these glasses when one eye is actually not in focus and the other eye is way out of focus. I don't know, it's just, yeah, it's actually giving me headaches every day. Because yeah, one eye, the glasses are way too strong, and the other one, they're not strong enough. So I'm kind of like having to tilt my head and tilt my glasses around. But yeah, hopefully I'll get some new glasses. I'm thinking of getting some black framed ones as well, just for something different. Because yeah, I'm not really keen on these. They've got like a gold look to them, and I've never really liked gold. So I think I'm gonna see what the black ones look like, considering I got black hair and black eyebrows and all that sort of thing. I'll see if they look good. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing. I don't know if I'll vlog in there because that's a bit weird. Although I should be on pretty good friendship terms with my optometrist by now. He's seen me that often, probably seen me more than he's seen his wife over the last 6 months. But yeah, no, I think I'll refrain from vlogging for a bit, and maybe just show you some of the glasses if I get to pick out any glasses today. Hopefully I do. Hopefully they got some good deals on, maybe like half price or 2-for-1 offers, something like that. So yeah, that's the go at the moment. I cannot believe this morning I had that freaking spider in my shoe for ages. Like, I literally put my shoes on in the garage, walked all the way up to the gate, opened the gate, walked all the way back to the car, got in the car, was driving at least 15 minutes to work, and at least on 2 occasions I thought I felt something in my shoe right at the top where my toes were. The first time I felt something, I thought, oh, maybe that's just a little rock or something in my shoe, because it felt like something moved, but I thought, oh, maybe there's just a little rock in there that's just sort of, you know, moved. But then I felt another little flutter, and I'm like, that's not a fucking rock. That's definitely something alive in my shoe. And I'm praying to God. I'm like, please let it be a beetle. Please let it be. If it can't be a rock, please let it be a beetle. Nah, not my luck. Fucking dirty, big, hairy, freaking spider comes out. What the frig? Sorry for the language, but Jesus Christ, that was huge. And I just can't... Like, it gives me goosebumps on my arms thinking that that thing was in my shoe for so freaking long, alive. Lucky I didn't, I mean, it wasn't a poisonous one or anything, I don't think. I think it was just like a big grass spider, but holy cow, ridiculous. Oh, what a day. I just got home, guys, like literally about 5 minutes ago. It's 7 o'clock. It took ages in the optometrist. The bloody computers went down, so I had to like hang around for a bit, and it still wasn't up by the time I left. So they said they were just going to process it tomorrow for me, and I could just pay over the phone. But yeah, good news. I got new glasses. I think I ended up having to get 2 different sets. It was either that or bifocals, and oh my god, that's just showing your age when you get bifocals, isn't it? Like I didn't want to get bifocals. I don't think I'd cope with them. I think I'd be having headaches all the time with them. And plus my reading prescription is like, I don't really need them at all for reading. It's mainly just when I'm working at my computer at work. They had a deal in there, like you get 2 pairs for the same price, or two pairs for the price of 1 or something like that. So I ended up just getting 2 separate glasses. I got one for computer and one for driving and stuff like that. So, and I went for a more of a black, still a bit of a thinner frame, but like a black frame. They all looked horrid, and because my face is so friggin' fat, I had to get like from the men's section as well. So they're not yeah, they're not nice glasses, but it was the only ones that I could get to fit my head, so I don't care. As long as I can see, I really don't care. I'm pretty tired. It's already past 7, and I just, yeah, I know I really want to get in bed by 10 o'clock tonight. So I think I'll just quickly do my advent calendar, and my eyes are getting a bit sticky too today because I haven't put enough drops in them. I might just do my advent calendar now and sign off. I know there's hardly anything on today's vlog. I'm so sorry, guys. I just didn't expect to be at the optometrist this late. So yeah, I'll hopefully have something better on the weekend. What day is it today? Is it Wednesday? Oh, it's Wednesday. Okay, so I've still got Thursday, Friday at work. Hopefully I'll take the kids to Port on Saturday. If it's raining, we probably won't go, because I wouldn't mind getting them on the beach for a little bit too. So if it's nice weather, might take them up there. But yeah, I don't know, haven't got anything else planned. I just got a few things I want to get done today, just mainly sorting my computer out and sorting my phone out. So yeah, I'll do my advent calendar now and and I think sign off. So let's have a look. Oh, and someone suggested that this little, I haven't even put it in my shower yet, that this may be a little headband to put on your animal, because it said something about to take a selfie with the animal headband, and I was really confused, but I don't think it is, because this isn't elastic, and I'm not sure I'd want to strangle my animal trying to put that on him somehow. So I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe earrings. I definitely think it's a shower poof, because it's made out of the same sort of stuff. But yeah, it's definitely the tiniest poof I've ever seen. But yeah, it could be something you're supposed to attach to your cat or dog. Maybe just attach it to their hair or something. I don't know. But anyway, so I'll see if I can do it from this angle. Save me moving you all around. So we've got our advent oh, why is the light going in and out? We've got our advent calendar here. We're on day 12. Just making sure you've still got light. Day 12. Can you guys see? 12. Oh, just got my finger right on it. Halfway, guys, halfway. So, what have we got here? It says, oops, sorry guys. It says, donate and feel great. Support a charity that loves your spirit animal. So that's really nice. What's in this one? Ah, okay. Can you see? Sorry, guys. What do I do? Is that how the beauty gurus do it? It's a liquid eyeliner and the color is number 1. I'd say that's black. Number 1's usually black. Yeah, black. So black eyeliner. I'm always very, very nervous using liquid eyeliners because I'm not very great at a steady hand and usually end up doing my whole face and then destroy it because I've messed up my eyeliner. So that's the advent calendar for today, guys. And a few people have been asking where I got it from. I thought I mentioned it before, but it's actually from the Body Shop. They had 3 different advent calendars this year. They had I'd say like a cheaper version, medium range version, and an expensive sort of luxe version. I got the medium one, and I'm pretty sure the cheapest one was about $75. This one was $150. I know it's a little bit, it's a lot of money, but I've been eyeing them off for years and years, and I just thought, oh, I just want to treat myself and have something to look forward to each day of Christmas. And I thought I had in mind to do vlogs before I bought it anyway, so I thought, well, that'll give me something to show each day on the vlog anyway. So that one was $150, and then the luxury one I think was either $200 or $250. But yeah, I just thought, oh, I'll just go for the medium range one this year and see how it is and if I like it. And yeah, I can always get it again or get a better one next year. But no, I'm really enjoying it. It's actually quite exciting to open something every day. I did have a look for advent calendars for my kids, like, I mean, not just the chocolatey ones, but something similar to that would like accommodate their interests. But there wasn't really anything. I mean, Kmart had like a Lego one, but it was a little bit babyish for Jamie. I mean, he likes Lego, but he prefers like the Star Wars Lego and stuff like that. So yeah, I did have a look for something that the kids might like, but yeah, it was hard just to find. So if any of you guys have seen any advent calendars that might be suitable for teenagers, just let me know in the comments below, because yeah, I did want to get ones for my kids as well, but because they've always had like a chocolate one, but over the last couple of years they've grown out of those as well. But yeah, maybe I'll make my own next year with some little things inside for them. But anyway, enough rambling for me. I'm gonna sign off. Wish you all a very happy 12th day Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.